OnePlus has set a target for 2021 which includes becoming the king of smartphone photography, which their CEO has said in a statement. You can catch more details about that from over here in a previous video I have made. But today we have a lot of new camera features, some tips and tricks of the OnePlus 9 Pro's camera. And guys, before we do that, how are you? And if you're enjoying the content, may I just suggest you to subscribe. So the new features are uncovered by XDA and these are not yet available on current OnePlus phones, but likely will be present in the 9 series, and maybe someday with updates older smartphones could also get them. So the first new feature is called Tilt Shift Mode. OnePlus describes Tilt Shift as tilt shift models can transform the world into a miniature version. Buildings and people will resemble tiny models in the shifting lens, displaying the visuals of an quote-unquote artificial city in photos. Guys, this could look really awesome in certain situations and it could be a lot of fun. These two screenshots of this mode looks really awesome, especially the one with the cityscape. There are some steps however which you will need to take before taking these tilt shift photos, which are shown in these screenshots, like set the location, adjust the scope, adjust the angle and adjust the intensity to get the shot of your liking. The second new feature is called Stardust. When you point the camera at a bright source of light such as the sun, you may see a radiating star shape rather than a dot. This is called the starburst effect, and it appears that OnePlus camera app will have a dedicated mode to capture photos with this effect. I don't really understand the deep workings of this mode, but maybe it's like instead of showing a white ball of light which is the sun, you might see it something like this. I don't really know how it works. The next mode is called Focus Peaking. In this mode, the phone will put a filter over the area in focus to show what exactly is in focus. This can be found in Samsung phones, Pro mode and most mirrorless cameras. This could be really helpful for pro photographers and likely won't be available in the auto mode. The next one is called the Moon mode. In this mode, the phone will apply some filters over the moon to make the shots of the night sky look better. And the last one is called Hyperlapse. OnePlus phone camera app already offers a time-lapse mode, but it seems they will soon offer a dedicated hyperlapse one as well. Whereas time-lapse are generally stationary, like for example shooting stars, hyperlapse add movements over long distances. So guys, these are all the new features the OnePlus 9 Pro camera is going to have. Some of them are really awesome like the tilt shift, some of them are not much awesome like the moon mode. I don't really think it's that much useful, but still new features are new features. Let me know guys your thoughts about these new camera tricks. Also subscribe to the channel for more OnePlus content, hit the like button if you're excited, say hi to me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.